The Made in America manufacturing exhibit at the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation in Dearborn, Michigan, is a dynamic exploration of how machines, tools, and people came together to shape the modern industrial world. This exhibit walks visitors through the birth and growth of American manufacturing, from hand powered machines of the early 1800s to the high speed assembly lines that revolutionized production in the 20th century. It tells the story not just of machinery, but of the people, ideas, and innovations that made mass production possible. One of the most striking features is the Ingersoll milling machine from 1912, originally used at Ford's Highland Park plant. Towering in size and built for speed and precision, this machine was responsible for cutting multiple Model T engine blocks simultaneously. It represents a major shift in how products were made, moving from small-scale workshops to fast, interchangeable, high-volume production lines. This single piece of equipment tells the story of how Henry Ford's vision of mass production forever changed the global economy. Another highlight is the exploded Model T, a fully disassembled 1924 Model T that floats in midair, showing each of the thousands of parts suspended on wires. It's not just a dramatic display, it's an educational tool that reveals how the Model T was designed for modular construction and ease of repair. Visitors can see how components fit together with military precision, an essential element of Ford's innovation in interchangeable parts. The exhibit also honors inventors whose ideas quietly changed the industry. Among them is Elijah McCoy, an African-American inventor whose automatic lubricator, created in 1882, made it possible for steam engines to run more efficiently without constant shutdowns for oiling. It's inventions like these, often developed in the margins of history, that kept the wheels of industries turning smoothly. Throughout the exhibit, visitors encounter hands-on experiences, including a mini assembly station where children and adults can participate in building a wooden Model T. This interactive element underscores the exhibit's main theme. Manufacturing is just not about machines, it's about people, solving problems, improving processes, and transforming entire societies through innovation. Made in America manufacturing is more than a historical showcase. It's a story of creativity, persistence, and practicality. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of early machine tools, fascinated by the rise of factory work, or just curious about how everyday items came to be, this exhibit connects past and present in a meaningful way. It reminds us that manufacturing is the backbone of modern life, and that behind every product is a complex web of design, labor, and engineering brilliance.